What if I told you 99% of people who are suffering from GERD, acid reflux, or LPR are breathing in the wrong way? And breathing in this wrong way not only makes the symptoms much worse, it can aggravate symptoms like Barrett's esophagus or hiatal hernia even more. And in my case, breathing that particular way is one of the reasons that caused me Barrett's esophagus and worsened my hiatal hernia. But the good thing is, you can totally retrain your body how to breathe in the right way with just 5 minutes of training every day. So in this video, we'll cover what improper breathing looks like, what are the main problems and how it really worsens your symptoms, and how we can fix it in a step-by-step manner. I'm Aftab Ali, founder of Gut Regeneration. We help people fix their acid reflux so that they can get out of their day-to-day struggle and not let their symptoms get worse. If you want one-to-one personalized help, book a call using the link in the description, and let's get into the topic for today. This is what improper breathing looks like. Call it chest breathing, thoracic breathing, or intercostal breathing, it's all the same. What happens is basically this is the normal automatic way how most people really breathe, and this leads to a lot of issues. Before we get into the details how this kind of breathing really affects people, let's get into why do people breathe like this in the first place. For people like me who want to really hide their belly, I come from a past where I was very obese. I was around 230 pounds, or give or take 107 kgs, which is a lot of weight for my height, 5'11". So what I did to hide that was suck in my belly. And if I am sucking in my belly, the way I'll breathe is very shallow, and it will be called chest breathing. And what happens is, subconsciously, even if you do lose the weight, you would still be sucking in your belly and be doing the chest breathing. And the reason why most people do this chest breathing is because of the posture. A lot of people are taught to keep their shoulders high, and it's how you should really present yourself, by standing upright, your shoulders up, chest up. But that does not mean you'll have to breathe through your chest. And all of these leads to a habit, and this becomes the very way you breathe. Now, if we do chest breathing, it means our stomach is in a lot of pressure. Our diaphragm moves up and down, and it really puts a lot of pressure in the stomach. And if there's pressure in the stomach, there will be pressure in the lower esophageal sphincter, and this is the valve that keeps your food contained in your stomach. But if there's a lot of pressure build up around this area, what will happen is, even if your lower esophageal sphincter is not that weak, things will come up. So these are basically the root causes of acid reflux we're talking about: either a weak or damaged lower esophageal sphincter, or a lot of pressure. So here we are only focusing on the pressure area. The way you're breathing is putting a lot of pressure, and this is causing the acid reflux. And this also leads to some other issues as well. If you are doing shallow breathing, your blood will not have the optimal amount of oxygen it needs, and it will also increase the stress, thus increasing the reflux symptoms as well. How to really fix it? We'll have to switch to something known as the diaphragm, abdominal, or belly breathing. And this is where you'll have to expand your belly when breathing. A very quick exercise how you can do it is, keep one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Now do the normal breathing that you do. You will find out your chest is expanding by default, but you will have to switch it up to a position where now your chest is not expanding much, it's stationary, but your belly is expanding. Now, this might be a little uncomfortable at first, so you can try it with just 5 minutes every day. And here's a step-by-step plan that you can follow. I call this 4 to 6 breathing. This is the exact breathing technique that I teach to my clients. And I found that this beginner's option is applicable to everyone, but for person to person, it will vary a little bit or the other. So if you want personalized help, book a call using the link down below, and I'll see how I can help you. So about the 4 to 6 breathing technique, you'll have to inhale for 4 seconds. Keep one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and breathe in for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you'll have to hold for 2 seconds, and now you'll have to exhale for 6 seconds. So we are inhaling for a short amount of time, like 4 seconds, holding it, and then exhaling for 6 seconds. We are inhaling for a relative short amount of time, like 4 seconds, holding it, and then exhaling for a longer period of time, 6 seconds. So here we are doing two things. teaching your body how to put less pressure in your stomach and lower esophageal sphincter. But also, if you are exhaling more than you are inhaling, your body will be in a relaxed position. This is also how you get from a stressed situation to a relaxed situation. You can do while you are working, whenever you find yourself stressed out, or find out at least some dedicated time to do this 5 minutes of daily exercises. The preferred time, if you are really busy, I'll suggest you do this right before going to sleep or before meals. There are some more advanced techniques that will help you get stronger in this diaphragm breathing, and this will vary from people to people a lot. But one general guideline is the more you can exhale for a long period of time and the more you do this exercise, this kind of breathing will be ingrained in your body and it will be the new default breathing. This will actually work on one of the root causes, like decreasing the stomach pressure, although there will be a lot of other things that might be causing the stomach pressure. It can be a lot of fat, it can be a ton of other exercise you do, like wrong exercises, it can be wrong yoga, wrong exercises in the gym, the way you move, like it can even be caused by bloating due to bad bacteria. There can be a lot of reasons why you might have this pressure in your belly, but this one exercise will for sure take some of it off. But to really fix acid reflux, you'll have to find all of your root causes. So give this exercise a try and let me know how it goes. And if you want one-on-one help, you'll find the link in the description below, and see you in the next video.